Para po sa ating race number 5.
Kumain na ba natin na?
Jordan Open Bidding. Headed by the one horse that is Ernie Volking, 445 kilograms. Rider Mark M. Gonzalez carrying 53.5 kilograms. Owned by the running group Racing Inc. Mr. Victor Duarte.
Wala raw sa record nila, hindi pinasa. Hindi raw pinasa. Sabi ko meron na. Sabi ko nga, nakatatlo na kayo eh. Nakatatlong takbo na.
Number 2, Mike Francola.
Siguro wala nakatatlong.
Jordan entry number 3. 490 kilograms sa kanyang kaya plate. Riders,
Takbo na eh.
53.5 kilograms. Owned by former SAID operator Amalis David.
Ano ba? Siguro picture, di ba?
Started by top bidding of Jordan Sorority. Number 3, Jordan.
Masama, hindi raw pinasa ng karon.
Number 4, George Dacaso. 489 kilograms. John Aurelius, top bidding 54. Owners of the Patrick Roy. And the commissioner for Peter Alvera. Susan Bigyan naman ang air. Base George Shane Alexander. Ising air. That's the report. That's the report. George Dacaso. Come from behind entry number 5. 484 kilograms. 180 Alvarez and rider carrying 54.5. Owner Mirando Santa Rosa 8. Mang Ruben Tumas naman ang trainer. Trainer Havana Aramis Lemon Drop number 5. Come from behind. Wild is the win. Entry number 6. 444 kilograms. Come from 53. Owner Mr. Redentor Domingo. 435 kilograms. Michael Del Sus, ang rider carrying 54. Owner, Mr. Doroteo Bean Pangilinan. Quirino Inorayat ang trainer. Miss Malaine Angla naman ang leader. Sa Bismack Bill number 3, Rise Up. Nasa likuran niya number 4, that is Rain Rain, Go Away. 441 kilograms. Rider, Albert Volano Serios, carrying 54. Owner, Mr. Juan Carlos de los Reyes, Ramon Santos and trainer. Then, leader po niya, Mr. Tony Tan Jr., Almuta Steve, Adop, Shelly Girl, number 4, Rain Rain.
Second close, 7 of Diamonds.